Hi friends, welcome back to the weekly video. Myself Vijay Bhatia from Deal Money Securities Private Limited. So what a week for a gold, trading at nearly 106 months high, or I would say nearly 9 years high. And momentum has been very much stronger for gold, reclaiming around $1,800. So if you look at the past videos also, we have been recommending gold in our weekly videos since 1730, 1740 and expecting around 1840. So 1830 has been the near the recent high which already we have seen. Last week global markets took a pause, especially if you look at the Dow, DAX, and has taken a slight pause into the momentum. And even if you look at the Nikkei, which was slightly negative to flat, DAX and Dow gaining around nearly 1%. One index which currently is trading, gaining a strong upside momentum is Nasdaq, again at all-time high, at gaining 5% in the last week. And even if you look at the Shanghai, which has gained around 7% last week, coming up very much strongly. So if you look at the global indices here, we think we might see a pause into the recent upside trend. Even if you look at the Hang Seng, after forming a dark cloud cover, it has formed again a bearish Gartley. If you look at the Nikkei on weekly basis, it has formed the bearish dark cloud cover on the weekly 3-4 Swiss back and forming the bearish Gartley. So with the multiple bearish harmonic structure on Nikkei and Hang Seng, it's indicating a sign of pause to the recent momentum. Plus if you look at the Nifty, we have seen Nifty last week gaining upside momentum, reclaiming 10,800 levels on the upside. Still it's been showing a sign of exhaustion at 10,800, 10,850 zone, though in today's session we have seen a slight uptick towards 10,880, 890 levels, but still we think it's sign of exhaustion. And if you look at the breadth wise, probably the Nifty in Nifty, Reliance and the IT space are only gaining the recent momentum. So Infosys, TCS and Reliance, these three stocks have taken a markets to the higher levels. The broad-based contribution into the Nifty, it's slightly lacking, and if you look at the mid caps, again it's been performing. So if you look at the even look at the previous weekly where we have discussed mid cap to Nifty ratio has been going very much stronger. So overall mid cap would continue to outperform. We think Nifty might take a recent pause. If you look at the bank Nifty over here, so if you look at the bank Nifty to Nifty ratio charts on your screen, it's trading in a triangle formation, and RSI also been at a support zone. So we think the outperformance, it's currently trading at 2.05. When it breaks 2, we think the momentum underperformance of the bank Nifty could be very fast and furious. Even if you look at the bank Nifty Kagi charts, which is on your screen, it's been Kagi 5 bars ATR chart. So this is 45 minutes chart. So if you look at the 45 into 5, so 5 bar average true range is around 180 points. And if you look at this chart, it has formed bearish wolf wave. So again, a bearish wolf wave generally forms right at the tops. And if you look at the fifth wave of the on your charts, it's been 161.8% precisely of third and fourth, indicating the momentum might take a pause. And if you look at the last week performance, though Bank Nifty has outperformed, gaining 2.5% against Nifty, which has gained around 1.5%. We think the outperformance might take a pause, and it in last Thursday and Friday last week ending, Bank Nifty has lost its momentum, and Nifty again started its upside move journey. So we think the wolf wave target as per the wolf wave is around 20,800, 21,000. So any rise towards 20,400, 22,400, 25,000, 22,500 can be a good short opportunity on Bank Nifty this week, keeping a stop loss about 23,000 or 23,100. And if you look at the risk reward wise, you have a risk of around 500, 600 points. But if you look at the target wise, we are expecting around 1,500, 1,600 points on the downside. So risk reward at 1:3 seems a better bet on the Bank Nifty, shorting at 20 to 400, 20 to 500. We think one should look for Bank Nifty short rather than Nifty short this week. We think that when the momentum into the Reliance and IT take a pause, only Bank Nifty can see a downside journey. So as of now, we think BFSI, banking and financial stocks might see underperformance, and that could be a short bet you can look this week. So our bet is on Bank Nifty rather than Nifty this week, looking for a short opportunity and expecting a target of 20,800 to 21,000. Thank you.